We're at the Old Timers Car Show today in Farmington, Minnesota at the Dakota County Fairgrounds. And we gotta love the first car we've come across. Look at that. That's a beautiful custom car. Oh, we got one coming in. Let's see where he's going. He's gonna park right here. Come on in. Got ourselves a Merc. Perfect. We want to see the inside of this car though, people. Look at that. Got the old school gasser.
You're such a Dixon. Straight up.
Were you?
I was doing a short.
Oh my.
You walked right over and started doing it. Look at the inside. Isn't it a gorgeous dash? I like the roll bar.
What year's the GTO?
67.
67. That's pretty. Who doesn't love the GTO? There's a Willys 4-wheel. Chevy Master Deluxe. The Trans Am. I don't like they don't have,
Labels on them.
that's a 57 Corvette. Wow, look at the red interior, that's beautiful. I like the combination, the black with the red. A Chevelle SS. What's that?
Orange. It's orange.
It's red.
It's orange.
All right, it's orange. There's the inside of the Chevelle. Look at this. It's a 5-window. Love the antenna to nowhere. The Camaro. The Chevy pickup. What year?
52.
52. It's beautiful.
I think.
What else we got here? Looks like a Camaro, 80s maybe, late 70s. Ford Ranger. Oh, look at that Nova. That's pretty. He didn't wash her up first, but it's pretty. Another Chevy Bel Air. Little custom. Gotta like Casper. Look at that. Look at that, a 4-door. Southside Taxi, Savage, Minnesota. That's a Dodge Brothers. 1927 Dodge. It's a Camaro that needs a new paint job.
Probably in the building. Yeah, but just tell them that it'll be in the building. Confirm that yes, the Hemi car will be in the building for Mopar.
So the Ford Mustang, red on red. Get ourselves a Ford Roadster, I'm assuming. That's pretty cool looking. Dodge Charger. Look at how much room they got. Don't know what this is. It says U.S. Forces on it. A Lays. If you guys can help me out with this one. It says 1938 Ford. I guess that's what it is. Chevrolet. So there's a rat rod tow truck over there we'll get to. There's a Chevy. Look at this Falcon. That's crazy. Don't know what year the Ford Falcon is, but she's pretty. I like it. Ford Galaxy. Corvette.
Doesn't do body work, but he rebit him and his dad rebuilt the engine on the GTX.
Oh, it's a little chilly out here today, a little windy.
Yeah.
I got a Volkswagen for sale. VW Bug. Still got the 8-track player in it. 1974 VW Beetle, $9,500. 651-263-9155. Give them a call. I would probably get rid of the yellow color personally, but Chevy S10.
Four speed too.
1963 Ford Galaxy.
So they took pictures and all that kind of stuff. And pictures of skeleton and then get your hair cut. Started it off. The log, the 27 is what the cap is. And then it's on the chassis.
Hang on, before I say anything, let me run out to the garage. Phil,
Some of them, like I said, they
you'll
might
miss
first
all the
daughter put
details.
name on there, and then on the other side I got my other daughter's name over there, and then the other grandkid's names on the front of it.
Yeah. His YouTube.
Radfink.
I'm way too miss them all.
Look at this thing.
Remember my dad just talking about that he would see us on the phone on the side of the road. Now he's crashing. I'm like, yeah, I go to all the cars.
Yeah, me and my brother were gonna build the old rat rod. This was before rat rods even became big in that, back in the 80s, and that we were gonna build it, and then he
Got yourself a Chevy Camaro. 68. Maybe 69. It's one of those because they have the.
Well, if you're gonna go on hot rod and ride it strong, he's like a fucking guy named or an angel, you know, they all of them walk away with that.
67 Chevelle.
Yeah, I remember him telling me that.
Do like that one. There's a Ford.
So the guy that built this car, stand right over here with the light colored hat on. Glasses and the tan hat.
There's one for sale. Oh, it's the Cobra. 1968 Shelby Cobra. Big block Ford 557. 49,000.
But he knows all the old timers.
Ford Mustang Fastback. Cobra Power. Is that a Nova? How you doing?
Good.
Beautiful. Dodge Charger. Look at this. What do we got here? Ford Thunderbird convertible. If you like what you see, I do mostly car shows, a little bit of travel, camping. I have a little bit of a lot of everything. So if you like it, please share. Here's a Mercury 1946 Merc. Like, share, and as always, comment and subscribe. I'll take the subscribers, the likes. Take whatever you want to give me. That one's beautiful. Get yourself a Plymouth Duster. The windows are up. I can't let you see the inside, but you can't see inside very well. Interesting color combo. C10.
That's a lot of cleaning there. Can't drive that down my gravel road and be up there cleaning all the time.
Oh, yeah.
It's not painted down there. It looks like a...
Chevy Bel Air. Look at that.
I've got no idea.
Another cool dashboard. I love the dashboards. El Camino. 70 something. How much? Got a Roadrunner. Missing his hood, or he took his hood off. Oh, he doesn't even have the hood mounts. Oh yeah, they're there.